Hello, it's Jay here again, and welcome to another video. So this is just an announcement video about the fighting game tutorial. The series will now continue exclusively on Patreon. There will still be plenty of free lessons coming to YouTube, so please stay tuned for those. Please see the tiers, make sure you select the correct tiers, which either have to be the mid or high tier to get access to the videos. And I know some of you may be angered at this, and I do apologise. I don't want to upset anybody by doing this, I really don't. And I'm not going to I'm not going to drone on as to why, but just say it's necessary for me, I'm afraid, to do this now. I hope you can understand, and as I say, I apologise, and I understand if you don't, but as I say, if you are interested, please come over to Patreon. If not, there will still be plenty of free coding videos on this channel, and I hope to see you for those. So thank you, and as always, bye for now.